Hi, welcome to part two of the video. There's the speaker. We're gonna start at a whopping 20 hertz. It's a very low frequency. So here we go. I don't even know if you can hear, see, or see the woofer moving, but you probably can. But it's definitely moving. Twenty 25 hertz. 31. 40. 50. 'Sorry, I had to turn that down. 62. This is 80. 100. 125. We're getting to the mid-range now. 160. 200. This is 250. This is 320. This is now 400. 500. 630. This is 800 hertz. 1 gigahertz, I think that says. 1.25 kHz. 1.6 kHz. 2. 2.5. 3.2. This hurts actually. 4. This is 5. Doesn't really make a difference to me. 4. 5. This is 6.4. This is more or less the high, the tweeter. This is 8. This is 10. Okay, this hurts. This is definitely this guy. This is 12.8, 16, and this is 20. So, what I like about this this thing is it's got it says on the back that it's got a protector on it, which if there's too much power going to it, the split inside actually turns down some of the power going to the speaker, so it saves your speaker system. Oh yeah, I was right with the subwoofer. It was 12 inches. Should have looked on the back. It was all right there. 4-inch mid-range and a 3-inch tweeter. So thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy it.